The latest Google Phone app beta can now be installed from the Play Store on pretty much any phone. This, I bring up this story because it showcases sort of a hope of mine, which is that your app selection, even for your stock apps, is completely up to you. And if you want the stock Google apps, I wish that all of them would be made available in the Play Store and could be installed on any device. That would be amazing. The phone, the dialer app, obviously people don't care about normally as much, but the camera app would be amazing if it was there. I've had to sideload it in the past and then it's kind of wonky. Obviously messages, they let you do. Most manufacturers, that's an easy enough. Like on OnePlus, they actually, on the Nord, they gave up on it. They just put the Google messages in it from the jump. You like a feature that's in the dialer with the call screening.
Yep.
And actually that feature won't work right now on devices other than the Pixel devices.
Right.
Even though you can get this, the phone app in the App Store or in the Play Store as it stands right now. And it'll mostly work outside of a couple of key features on devices from OnePlus, Samsung, and a variety of others. But the key thing to me is this got my imagination going about sort of how Google looks at the Android landscape. And I understand they want to sell Pixel phones, but I would like to envision a future in which the amazing software that they create is available across multiple manufacturers and working properly. Whether it's because the idea that they come out with a feature that you really like the call screening thing, no one's going to, a small percentage of people use Pixel devices. So you spend all this time perfecting this really amazing thing, sophisticated thing, all the machine learning, it's incredible. And then people using Samsung phones, right? And then they got Bixby instead of Assistant, which that's changing now. But if it was just in the App Store and it all worked really easily and it could just strictly be installed on any hardware, you would just have you would have a much larger user base and more people able to experiment and more people able to use it. And I just imagine how great all the photos would look if everybody on Android could use Google's camera app. Just tomorrow, it would be an improvement. At least in my experience, in most cases, that camera app is an improvement. And maybe this is an early indication that could happen. It's just the phone app, but you can get it in a Play Store. So it's a kind of an interesting development, could have implications for the future of Android, and we'll see where that goes.